Now let's take a look at the Excel date function. The date function in Excel takes three number argument, the year, the month, and the day, and combine them to return a date. You can remember the order of the argument because they go from largest unit to the smallest. For example, to return the date of February 5th, 2012, type in the following formulas. Equal date 2012, comma, February, comma, 5th, right? Okay. Now use the date function to return January 15, 2012. Should be equal date 2012, right? January and then 15, right? Use the number in the cell below to return the date. So month, day, and year. So going to equal date, and then of course you're gonna go to year first. So click there, month there, and then day here. There we go. B1, B3, B2, B1. Right? Use the number in the cell below to return the date. Again, equal date, year, comma, month, comma, day. Right? There we go. Use the number in the cell below to return the date of July 13, 2020. So equal date, right? 2020, comma, July, comma, 3rd, right? So you have to be here, right? This is the 3rd, not the 1st. There we go. Okay, use the number in cell below to return the date of August 2nd, 2001. So it's gonna be equal date August 2001. So it's 2001 August 8 and then 2nd. Make sure you close parentheses, right? And then use the number in the cell below to return the date of July 4th, 2025. So it's equal date 2025 July 4th, right? Oops, there we go. Right. So that's it for the date function. Thank you for checking out my channel, and please hit the like button and subscribe so that I can bring this to more viewers like you. Thank you, and see you next time.